Bachelor of Dental Surgery is a very unique profession in the sense that it is that part of the human body which has a direct specialization after schooling. For the other specialities, one has to do MBBS and then subspecialize in whichever part of the human body. So a BDS, I think, is a very unique profession. We are a direct specialists and it's a full year professional program wherein you are authorized to practice after BDS. There is a big controversy or an issue amongst the students, or a dilemma, I would put it that way. That is, people want to do MBBS. That's prime focus. That's absolutely, one family has to have a doctor. This was the order of the day those years. But today there are so many diversities in the profession. BDS is a speciality such that you could straight away go and practice. That is one good thing about BDS profession. It's not a comparison. Both are professional courses. MBBS offers you multiple wide varieties of specializations, whereas BDS, after BDS you have only a master's program and then you have 9 specialities in dentistry. So after which, as far as India is concerned, we do not have any further courses in the field of dentistry. So one can go abroad, or one could specialize, one could get into academics. So I wouldn't compare BDS and MBBS, but yes, studying BDS in a college where there is a medical college definitely has its advantage. BDS today is through NEET, and NEET, after the inception of NEET, it's become so transparent. Admissions come from the DGHS, that's the Ministry of Health, and it's a direct counseling process wherein one registers in that portal, and they would allocate the seats based on the choices of choices of colleges made by the students. From the college side, we make a data entry into the portal, so the students have the visibility of this website called MCC, Medical Counseling Committee. BDS can be done right away after +2. Or one wants to become a doctor, they go into a science stream like BSc or something. Even after completing a BSc, one could join for BDS program. BDS program is 4 years of education plus 1 year of training, which is internship. Many people don't want to take BDS as they feel the scope of BDS is minimal right now. I would disagree here. Everybody wants to be in an urban or a metro, which is not practically possible. There is tremendous scope even after a Bachelor of Dental Surgery degree, wherein you don't do your masters, but go to a semi-urban or a rural practice. You can thrive so well, provided you are trained in a good institute with good facilities and patience. So I don't see that the scope of dentistry is gone. It is the passion with which you have to take the profession, and you have to endure some hurdles to achieve what you want to achieve in life. SRM Kattankulathur is one of the biggest campuses that I have come across as a university, with multidisciplinary faculties and great infrastructure. Our college, SRM Kattankulathur Dental College, I'm proud to say that it's very well equipped with the latest CAD/CAM, microscopic endodontics. We have sophisticated operation theaters. We have excellent patient inflow, and most of all, as I told you earlier, we have a wonderful super specialty medical hospital which is just abutting the dental college. What more can you ask for a student to have patient material, which is the ultimate success for training and to pursue a career in dentistry?